I'm stuck. This seems good, yes?
Yeah.
I feel like this one's really good up there. I think I'll be good. Do it way up here.
Pick one off of there.
Oh, there. Gloves. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. There you go. Let go, please. There you go. There you go. That way we can see it.
Hopefully the birds don't take off with them.
Maybe that's how you're supposed to make your raven friends.
Yeah.
Offer them trinkets for them to bring us trinkets. I don't think that's how that works.
What about this one?
So we can see it. You want to make sure they're healthy. And big enough around. I wouldn't do from that one because one of its forks got snapped off.
What about that one?
Which one? Ooh, yeah, that's a good one. I got food. Come on, there's two really nice ones here, side by side. You're like, what incarnation? I need to look at
Right here.
That's Sam I am. That's Sam I am. I don't
Do.
not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham?
And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.
Go ahead. Oh,
you heard that?
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That was so good. Nice.
Big one. Oh, I didn't know you were recording.
Haha.
That was funny.
You're king of the hill.
It's the smallest mountain ever.
Did you ever play that as a kid?
Where you like throw each other off?
Yeah.
100%. These bibs are not conducive to climbing.
Isn't that crazy?
I'm scared.
You're okay.
No, because I just don't want to snap off and fall on you.
Most of them are pretty sturdy, it feels.
Most. Oh wow. I did not think this was fun. There we go. I'm still going, I'm still going. That's crazy. Oh, Brap somewhere else. Oh, hey, I got one.
Nice.
It was already kind of loose.
We also need to check our tire limits because we do not want our tires to be too low. Like our tires are pretty low already.
Yeah.
You don't have to start slowing down right now until we get close to that two-sided road. You know. Now this is when the road gets smaller and smaller. Okay, start slowing down. Okay. We gotta stop for a second, that way we can see here. Now stop. Stop. Nope. Nope.
Alright, you're doing the left. There you go.
Mm.
Good job.
I'm after getting the hang of steering
Yeah.
a truck. Remember when you said lining up the middle of the road, lining the middle of the road with the middle of the track works? It's actually working for me. You know? Ow!
Keep driving. Watch the road. Watch the road. Watch the road. There you go.
Yikes! Nice. That crashed
Yeah.
because of the sun. Nice. Gonna be a little bumpy right now.
Don't start turning in yet. Wait till we're like directly in front. Now start turning. Unturn a little bit. There you go. Let's get in. Now unturn. Unturn. Here. Now watch this. There we go.
Yikes. So look to this side. Oh, we don't hit that silly tree. And so look this side. And then, the handle's locked.
Nice.
Are you kidding me?
I have fallen. Now I cannot get up.
Oh, honey, no. Honey, I'm coming. Honey. Grab us up. Grab us up. Pull. Come on, come on. Come on. Are you down?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh. Thanks for the save, babe. Well, those are pretty.
There's a conch that fell out of this here, dude. You see on the ground?
Yeah.
Why are you so deep back here? It's not supposed to be like
I don't know.
this. Is not supposed to be like this.
Start to understand the moose a little better.
Okay.
Anywhere else?
I guess not. Saul was a good king for about 20 years. Then he began to disobey God.
Perfect, Dad.
Dunk. Listen, listen.
You happy?
I'm very happy.
Thanks, Artie.
That's good.
Alright.
Good boy, Lucky.
Check this one out.
Go potty. Go potty if you have to go potty.
Check this out. Started pouring out too. Like the other one.
We have so much clay in our soils. We've been paling this out several times a day. crystal runoff and it's starting to get a little bit too high.
Eyes on their sides because they have a predator.
Because they're
Prey animal.
Just the breakup season.
Oh yeah, that's going good. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, see how full that is? That's a lot.
Yeah. That's what you get for laughing. Oh, we didn't fucking bring the file.
Oh yeah, that whole thing.